What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to this week's video. It's a beautifully sunny, warm day here in Michigan. It's December 7th, so this is a perfect time to be working outside. But the project we got today is pretty easy and fun. We're going to be replacing this step here for my parents until they can get it replaced with cement steps. So we're just going to build some quick steps for them to survive the winter. And the first thing I got to do is get this cement step moved. That's why I called in the big guy over here, Pops, and we're gonna go get this thing moved to start. So we have the step cleared. I'm actually gonna get a third bracket for the middle of this so that we are very, very stable and strong. But as you can see, we're mocked up right now, and we're actually dead level with our platform here. So what I will do once I get the third bracket is from each bracket on the bottom, I'm going to take 1.5 inches off, so that when we put the 2x6 on for each step, that the final step will actually be dead level with our cement. So I'll be right back. So here we are now all mocked up. We got our 3 studs or braces or whatever you want to call these in place. Now what we have to do is cut our steps in. So we're gonna take all of our 2x6 that we have and make 6 cuts at 33 inches because there will be 2 pieces per step. So nothing to it but to do it. Alright, here we are all mocked up. I'm gonna just use some 2-inch screws to secure the steps in place. The only thing I would advise is if you have a miter saw, that'd be much better to do all your board pieces with, because for some reason with the my sawhorses, which need to be replaced honestly, it made the cuts a lot more difficult. But other than that, yeah, that'd be my only little piece of advice. Either have really good sawhorses or use a miter saw if possible. But if you don't have a miter saw, this is possible with a circular saw. So as you can see here, we are now secured and in place, moving and grooving. All good in the hood, nice and strong. My dad's gonna come in and put in the brackets to secure this into the cement, so there's now more rocking. As you can see, we have a slight slant in our middle post because of the slant in the cement, but no need to fear, everything will be all good. And I know my dad's also gonna build hand railings for the stairs, but he's gotta look up the code for my parents' city, so that'll get done, but that's not gonna be done by me. I just did the meat and potatoes. And that is it for this week's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like, comment down below, subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications. You guys know the drill. Don't forget, $50 Home Depot giveaway is going on for when I hit 500 subscribers, so be sure to be subscribed and enter into that giveaway. Have a great day or night. Don't forget to keep God number one. God bless.